In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable table of figures in Microsoft Word. Before we build the table itself, the most important foundation is captions. Word builds a table of figures by scanning your document for captions, so every image you want included needs one. Click once to select a figure in your document, then go to the References tab and choose Insert Caption. In the dialog box, make sure the label is set to Figure if you're creating a table of figures, and type a clear, concise description. Keep the wording consistent across all figures so your list looks professional. When you're done, confirm the caption. Repeat this for each figure you want to appear in the table. Next, decide where you want the table of figures to appear. A common place is right after your table of contents or before your introduction, but you can put it anywhere that makes sense for your readers. Click to place your cursor exactly where you want the table to go. Now, go back to the References tab and click Insert Table of Figures. This opens a dialog where you'll choose how the table should look and what it should include. At the top, select the caption label you want to pull from. If you use the figure label when adding captions, choose Figure here. If you're creating a list for tables or illustrations that use a different label, pick the matching one so Word knows what to gather. Take a moment to review the format options. These settings control how the entries appear, such as whether page numbers are shown and what kind of leader line connects the caption text to the page number. Choose a style that fits your document's design and readability needs. For interactive documents, make sure to check Use Hyperlinks instead of page numbers. This option makes each entry clickable, so readers can jump directly to the figure from the list. It's especially helpful if you'll share the file digitally or expect people to navigate on screen. When everything looks right, click OK. Word will insert the table of figures at your cursor location, pulling in every caption that uses the label you selected. Each entry will reflect the caption text exactly, helping readers quickly find the figure they need. If an item is missing, it usually means the figure either doesn't have a caption or it uses a different label than the one you selected for the table. That's it. By ensuring every figure has a proper caption, placing your cursor where you want the list, inserting the table of figures, choosing the correct label and format, and enabling hyperlinks, you'll have a polished, clickable list that elevates your document's usability.